Welcome to the tips video that helps you continuously scan for wireless network signals around you. And so you know which Wi-Fi network has the best signal to use. On Windows computers, there is a command that helps you scan for Wi-Fi network signals around you. But this is a manual scan. Therefore, I use software called Rainmeter to periodically scan the surrounding Wi-Fi signal. After completing the installation of Rainmeter, install the Wi-Fi signal scanning tool I left in the description. Now on the Windows home screen displays a list of signals of surrounding Wi-Fi networks. It tells you the Wi-Fi signal strength and will be updated after about 30 seconds. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.